Here in this lecture, we are going to discuss about reflection of plane wave at the surface of perfect conductor with an oblique incidence. Here, let us consider the wave is propagating along x direction. Here, this propagation of the wave is normal to the yz plane. It is here in this plane. I am considering the point P. Here, P of x comma y comma z. It is here x y z represents what components along x y z axis. It is here. Actually, we are taking point P in the plane. It is with position vector r. It is here. The unit vectors along x, y, z directions are what? Ax, Ay, Az. It is here we are representing the wave equation. Here that wave is traveling along x direction. We are expressing it in terms of electric field. Here E is equal to what? Magnitude and the phase form. It is here E naught into e power minus j beta x. Here means the wave is propagating with beta. It is here how to determine the vector r? R is equal to what? X ax plus y ay plus z az. It is that is the position vector in the plane. It is here actually in the direction of propagation of the wave. What is the unit vector in the direction of propagation of the wave? Unit actually the wave is propagating along x direction. The unit vector in this direction is what? Ax is the unit vector. It is here the unit vector in the direction of propagation is what? Ax. Here now we are determining r dot ax. It is r dot ax is equal to what? Here this total dot ax. It is here r dot ax means ax dot ax is 1. Here ay dot ax is 0. Az dot ax is 0. Here means r dot ax is equal to x. It is r dot ax is equal to x. Here we are substituting this equation in equation 1. It is here we are writing the wave equation. Here wave equation E is equal to what? E naught into e power minus j beta r dot ax. It is here I am taking this is the equation 4. It is here similarly I am considering if the wave is traveling along OA direction, here this OA makes an angle with x-axis is theta 1, y-axis is theta 2 and z-axis is theta 3. It is here in this it means this OA is perpendicular to this plane. It is this OA is perpendicular to the plane. Here the unit vector in this direction is in the direction of propagation of the wave is what? N. Unit vector in the direction of propagation is n. It is here we are determining the unit vector in the direction of OA. It is here how to determine a unit vector in the direction of OA in terms of components along xyz directions. It is here what is the component along x direction? That is cos theta 1. Component along n component here n component along this component along y direction is what? OA along y direction. It is that is cos theta. Similarly OA along z direction is what? Cos theta 3. It is here now we are representing the vector n. It is here n is equal to what? Cos theta 1 ax plus cos theta 2 ay plus cos theta 3 az. It is here this is the unit vector in the direction of propagation of the wave along OA. It is here now we are determining the r dot n. It is r dot n is equal to what? R dot n or n dot r? Here r dot n is equal to xax plus yay plus zaz dot cos theta 1 ax plus cos theta 2 ay plus cos theta 3 az. It is here which is equal to ax dot ax is what? 1. Here x into cos theta 1. It is plus here ay dot ay is 1. Here y into cos theta 2 plus here az dot az is 1 z into cos theta 3. It is here actually now we are writing the propagation of wave along OA it is. Here how to write E, where in terms of electric field it is. Here how to write that one? E is equal to what? E is equal to E naught into e power minus j beta of n dot r it is, n dot r. Here this equation indicates what? It is the wave equation with an oblique incidence. With an oblique incidence. Here actually the wave incident obliquely at the interface between two medium. We consider two cases of polarization. Here one is the horizontal polarization. Horizontal polarization also called as the perpendicular polarization. Second one is the vertical polarization or parallel polarization. Here in this, first we are discussing about horizontal polarization. Horizontal polarization. Let us, I am considering YZ is the plane of incidence it is. YZ is the plane of incidence. X-axis, we are indicating the x-axis. X-axis is what? X-axis is out of this page it is. How to mark it at the center origin? Here small circle with dot indicates what? The direction of x-axis. The direction of x-axis is what? Perpendicular to the plane it is. YZ plane it is. Perpendicular to the YZ plane. Means that is out of the page it is. That is out of the x-axis is out of the page it is. Here let us I am considering the wave is incident at the interface with the normal axis is theta. Here the wave is incident at the interface between what? Dielectric and the perfect conducting medium. For perfect conductor, the electric field intensity inside the perfect conductor is 0. Means the entire wave is reflect backs. The entire wave is reflects backs with the same angle at the interface with the z axis. Here it makes an angle theta with the z axis. Reflected wave makes an angle with the z axis is theta. Same angle, with the same angle it is. Here now we are indicating the direction of propagation of the wave, electric field and the magnetic field it is for both incident and the reflected wave it is. Here now the arrow on the incident wave indicates the direction of propagation it is. Here the electric field, we are indicating the electric field, small circle with dot. This indicates what? Electric field is perpendicular to this plane of incidence it is. Perpendicular to the plane of incidence. Here means this electric field is out of the page it is. Out of the page. Here magnetic field direction like this it is. Here from the left hand thumb, here this indicates what? Direction of, here forefinger, the forefinger indicates what? Direction of propagation it is. Here thumb indicates what? Direction of electric field it is. Here this middle finger indicates what? Direction of magnetic field. Observe this one. Here thumb indicates what? Direction of electric field. Here this electric field is what? Perpendicular to the plane of incidence it is. Here this polarization simply called as perpendicular polarization, means the electric field is perpendicular to the plane of incident. That type of polarization is called as what? Horizontal polarization or perpendicular polarization it is for both incident and the reflected wave it is. Here electric field intensity is out of the page it is, means perpendicular to the plane of incidence it is. Here the direction of propagation of wave and electric field and the magnetic field indicated by the left hand thumb. It is here. This is for incident wave. For reflected wave, like this it is. Here reflected wave is the direction of reflected wave. Which one indicates the direction of reflected wave? Thumb indicates the direction of reflected wave. Thumb indicates the direction of reflected wave. Here this middle finger indicates what? Direction of propagation of reflected wave. It is. Here this indicates what? Middle finger indicates what? Direction of magnetic field intensity. Here observe this one. Thumb indicates what? Direction of electric field. The direction of electric field. Here the reflected wave is electric field intensity is out of this page. It is. Here similarly magnetic field intensity in this direction. Here, this indicates what? Direction of propagation. Direction of propagation is in this direction. It is. Now we are indicating the unit vectors in the direction of incident wave and the direction of reflected wave. It is. Here n1 is the unit vector in the direction of incident wave, n2 is the unit vector in the direction of reflected wave. It is. Here actually this unit vector makes an angle with x-axis is theta 1, y-axis is theta 2, and z-axis is theta 3. It is as shown in figure like this. It is. Here this this is the incident wave. It is. Here this incident wave makes an angle with x-axis is theta 1. Actually it is the angle between incident wave and x-axis is 90 degrees. It is. That angle is, I am considering it is theta 1. Theta 1 is equal to 5 by 2. It is. Similarly theta 2. Here theta 2 is the angle with the y-axis. Here incident wave makes an angle with the y-axis. It is. That is theta 2. It is. This angle is theta 2. Here how to obtain? Actually this angle is 90 degrees. It is. This angle is 90 degrees. Here theta 2 is equal to what? Theta 2 is the this angle. How to obtain this angle? Here we are subtracting theta from this angle. 90 degrees it is. Means theta 2 is equal to 5 by 2 minus theta. It is. Theta 2 is equal to 5 by 2 minus theta. Here similarly we are determining the theta 3. Here it is the angle between incident wave and the reflected wave. It is. Sorry, incident wave with the z-axis. This angle is the theta 3. Actually this angle is what? 180 degrees. It is. Here how to obtain this angle? We are subtracting this angle is 180 degrees. To obtain a theta 3, here we are subtracting this angle from this angle, means 180 degrees it is. Here theta 3 is equal to what? 5 minus theta. It is. Here now we are writing the incident wave equation. Here E incident is equal to what? In terms of electric field intensity, E incident here EI is the magnitude. EI is the incident magnitude of incident wave. It is. Okay. Here we are expressing the incident wave in terms of in terms of magnitude and the phase form. It is. Here E incident is equal to what? EI into e power minus j beta dot. Here this is the unit vector n1. It is. Here e power minus j beta n1 dot r. It is. N1 dot r. R is the position vector. It is. Here n1 is the unit vector in the direction of incident wave. It is. Okay. E incident is equal to what? Here this is the wave equation in terms of incident wave. It is. Here E incident is equal to what? EI into e power minus j beta n1 dot r. It is. Here how to determine n1 dot r? Here already we are calculating n dot r. How to calculate the n dot r? X cos theta 1 plus y cos theta 2 plus z cos theta 3. It is. Here n1 dot r is equal to what? X cos theta 1. Theta 1 value is what? 5 by 2 plus y cos theta 2. Theta 2 is what? 5 by 2 minus theta plus z cos 5 minus theta it is. Here cos 90 is 0. Here plus y cos 5 by 2 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta it is. Y sin theta plus z cos pi minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta it is. For cos only. For this phase angle, cos 180 minus theta is minus z cos theta, minus z cos theta. Here n1 dot r is equal to y sin theta minus z cos theta. Here we are substituting this in equation 1 it is. Here this indicates what? Equation for incident wave it is. Here E incident is equal to what? Ei into e power minus j beta of n1 dot r. N1 dot r is what? Y sin theta minus z cos theta it is. Similarly we are determining reflected wave equation. Wave equation for reflected wave. Wave equation for reflected wave it is. Here how to determine it one? Here similarly we are actually this reflected wave also makes an angle with x-axis is theta 1, y-axis is theta 2 and z-axis is theta 3 it is. Here that is indicated by this figure it is. Here this is the reflected wave. Okay, here actually this reflected wave makes an angle with x-axis is theta 1. Here actually it is perpendicular. X-axis is out of this page it is. The angle between ER and x-axis is what? 90 degrees it is. The theta 1 is 90 degrees it is. Here what is the theta 2? Here actually this angle is theta means this angle is also theta it is. Here this actually this angle is 90 degrees it is. Here how to? This angle is theta 2. Here this is the reflected wave it is. This reflected wave makes an angle with y-axis. This is the y-axis is theta 2 it is. Here this theta 2 is equal to what? 5 by 2 minus this angle gives this angle it is. Theta 2 is equal to what? 5 by 2 minus theta it is. Here similarly reflected wave is equal to what? E reflected. Actually the unit vector in this direction is what? N2 it is. Okay, E reflected is equal to what? ER into magnitude is ER into e power minus j beta n2 dot r it is. Here n2 dot r, how to calculate n dot r? Using this formula it is. Here n2 dot r is equal to what? Actually what is the theta 1 is 5 by 2. Theta 2 is what? 5 by 2 minus theta. What is the theta 3? Here reflected wave with the z axis is theta. Theta 3 is equal to theta it is. Here we are substituting now we are determining n2 dot r it is. Here n2 dot r is equal to what? X cos pi by 2 plus y cos theta 2 is 5 by 2 minus theta plus z cos theta 3. Theta 3 is what? Theta. Here n2 dot r is equal to y sin theta plus z cos theta. I am taking this is the equation 4. Here now we are substituting this equation in equation 3. In the reflected wave it is. Here E reflected is equal. Here this is the wave equation for a reflected wave it is. Reflected wave. Here ER into e power minus j beta y sin theta plus z cos theta it is. Here at the boundary, actually at the boundary, what is the boundary between what? Now we are applying the boundary conditions. Here between these two mediums. Medium 1 is what? Perfect conducting medium. Sorry, medium 1 is dielectric medium. Second medium is perfect conductor it is. Here we are applying the boundary conditions. Here tangential component of electric field is 0. Here means incident wave plus reflected wave is equal to 0. Means EI plus ER is equal to 0. Here means EI is equal to what? Minus ER it is. Here E for boundary between dielectric and perfect conductor, tangential component of electric field is 0 it is. Here means incident wave plus reflected wave is equal to 0. Here EI is equal to minus ER it is. Here now we are observing the resultant wave equation. Here how we can express the resultant wave equation in terms of incident wave and the reflected wave it is. Here E is equal to, here resultant wave is the E. This is the standing wave it is. Standing, we are obtaining the standing wave equation. Here how to write standing wave equation? It is the sum of incident wave and the reflected wave it is. E incident plus E reflected it is. Here E incident is equal to what? EI into e power minus j beta of, here j beta of y sin theta minus z cos theta ER plus ER e power minus j beta y sin theta plus z cos theta. Here but ER is equal to what? Minus EI from this equation. Here minus EI into e power minus j beta of y sin theta plus z cos theta it is. Here in these two terms common is what? Common is EI and observe this one. Here how to write this one? In these two terms common, e power EI and e power minus j beta y sin theta. The remaining term in the first term is what? E power minus j beta z cos theta. Z cos theta. Here minus into minus plus it is. J beta z cos theta minus, here in this remaining is what? E power minus j beta z cos theta it is. Here which is equal to what? This one is equal to what? 2j sin theta, e power j theta minus e power minus j theta form it is. Here this one is equal to what? 2j sin theta it is. Theta value is what? Beta z cos theta it is. Here 2j sin of beta z cos theta. Here E is equal to 2j EI sin beta z cos theta into e power minus j beta y sin theta. Here this is the standing wave equation. Standing wave equation for horizontal polarization.